Myself, Evangeline Shali from Tamil Nadu. I completed my BE ECE in Hindustan Institute of Technology. I have passion in embedded systems. So through internet, I gone through the Indian Institute of Embedded Systems, and I joined here for the course Embedded Systems. This course helped me to learn C, C++, Python programming, ARM 1768, and microcontroller at 8051, then data structures and Linux operating systems. With the help of this IIES team, I got selected in B3 Novus Private Limited as an software engineer. So I recommend you to join here and learn and update your skills.